Okay, this is gonna be a breakdown of what I did. Okay, if my menu would open, okay. I go to add-ons, then I go to FNAF 2, then what did I do again? And then I spawn these guys, and then I put them, I set them up in their specific corners over here. Like I just put, you just pose it however, it doesn't really matter, dude. They're gonna move anyways, you're gonna have to like, yeah, he's looking snazzy, dude. You know how Foxy goes. He goes into his little house right here. No, just get in there, dude. I'm not gonna set him up. He can figure out how to do it on his own. If you want to, you can also press C and give him his guitar if you want to. I don't really do that because I don't see what the point is. Because it just makes it look stupid to me. You can also get rid of his head if you want to do like a role play where he's like without his head for some Stranger Things. Like Dead Bonnie from the thing from earlier. Like bye Bonnie. And also I forgot this guy too was in the last. And this guy too. Oh my gosh, my game's gonna crash. This guy. Yeah, he got crushed by a car. I don't know what's the problem. He always gets crushed by a car. Like I don't know what the issue is. He gets crushed by a car a lot. I guess he just has a problem with cars. That was not a good idea. He has a problem with cars. I don't know why. Cars just hate him. He's the guy from the thing.
Yeah, yeah, it's me, Shadow. He killed my.
I'm living. I think I'm living. Adios. Chica, 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 chica is Chica's dead. Freddy, nobody likes you. Get out of here. What do I think about Freddy Fazbear and Chica? They can go bye bye. It's these guys that are new here. This is their pizzeria. Oh my gosh. I forgot about Foxy, to be honest. And he's a fan favorite too, and I forgot about him, honestly. Foxy, you need to get out of here too. You're getting the same treatment as everybody else. Yeah, I don't even want to set them up. They can figure out how to do it themselves. Huh? What happens if I let this run out? I'm gonna run to the office just because I don't trust that. Oh, that was a stupid idea. That was a stupid idea. Alright, where is she? I mean, he or whatever the puppet is. Are you serious, man? Are you serious? Puppet gives me no respect. I spawned you in. You listen to me, or you die like the rat. Well, that was a good end.